equal to ma is a vector equation. This is equivalent to three scalar equations. Fx equal to m ax, Fy equal to m ay, Fz equal to m az. These three equations tell us that the force components along x-axis causes acceleration along the x-axis. Force components along the y-axis causes acceleration along the y-axis, and force components along the z-axis causes acceleration along the z-axis. Motion along each axis can be studied independently. This is a very, very important concept. The same concept we used while studying projectile motion. Suppose a big truck is resting on the road. Some people do stunts and they pull this truck with their teeth or hair. So when they are pulling like this, are they applying the force against the weight of the truck? Weight of the truck will act vertically downwards. This force automatically gets balanced by the normal reaction. The frictional force between the truck and the ground acts in this direction. So when a person is pulling a truck like this, he is applying the force in a direction opposite to the frictional force. The weight of the truck does not directly come into the picture. That's why the required force is much less compared to the force required to lift the truck. So this person can easily pull the truck like this, but if you ask him to lift the truck, he'll find it quite difficult. Same way, I can make this bench slide easily, but if you ask me to lift the bench, it is extremely difficult. Same way, one person can easily push a car, but ask him to lift the car, it is extremely difficult. So, forces in a perpendicular directions don't affect each other. Forces which are acting in the vertical directions here are not going to affect the forces and the accelerations in the horizontal direction. This is very, very important concept. Now let us try to understand what is mass. Inertial mass is defined by Newton's second law. F equal to ma. If a force of 1 Newton acting on a mass causes an acceleration of 1 meter per second square, then the mass of the body is 1 kg. Same way, if a force of 2 Newton causes an acceleration of 1 meter per second square, then the mass of the body must be 2 kg. So mass is a scalar quantity that relates the force acting on a body with the resulting acceleration. F equal to ma.